Today I'm reviewing the FYY over-the-door hooks. I purchased these hooks because I needed a storage solution for cutting mats in my craft room, and they work perfectly for that. It comes in a pack of 4 hooks, which is great because I use them all over my house. The hooks fit on most standard doors, and they're so easy to install. You simply slip it over the door, just like that. These are made of heavy-duty metal, so they are strong and sturdy. As you can see, I'm pulling on it pretty hard and it is not budging. The best feature is this rubber coating. Because it creates grip so items don't slip off, it prevents snagging, and it stabilizes the hooks so they don't shift around when opening and closing the door. My favorite thing is that the top of the hook is nice and thin, so that my doors still close easily, even with multiple hooks on the door. This hook is easily supporting my gym bag, which definitely has some weight to it. These are the hooks in my craft room holding my cutting mats, and here's one on my bathroom door. These hooks are very durable. I've been using them for over a year now with 0 issues. I absolutely love them, and I will continue to use them throughout my home.